You're welcome to the Forex Trading and Lifestyle Entrepreneurship channel. Do take a minute to pause this video and read this disclaimer. You're welcome to the Forex Trading and Lifestyle Entrepreneurship channel. Do take a minute to pause this video and read this disclaimer.
Hi there, you're welcome to another presentation from the Forex Market Mentoring. I want to do a very short video showing you how you can log into a different broker's account without downloading MetaTrader 4 from that broker, right? So you have three to four accounts with different brokers. You really do not need to have to download and install 4 different MetaTrader 4 instances. Okay, from one broker downloaded MetaTrader 4, you can log into any broker account of your choice. Why? Because the MetaTrader 4 platform is owned by MetaQuote software, and MetaQuote basically licenses the same MetaTrader 4 platform to all the brokers. So basically all brokers are using the same MetaTrader 4 platform. All you need to do is change the server to the broker of your choice and log in. So let's go ahead. So here I have an FXTM ECN0 account, and I want to log into a Hantech Global live account. So how do we do that? First of all, you come here, you click on File, then click on Open an Account. You know, this, I wasn't able to do this, I didn't learn this until after about 8 years. It's probably 10 years of my, if probably not 11 years in the Forex business, right? So if you're learning this from me, you're really very, very privileged and lucky, you know. So now, as you can see here, I have other. Oh, okay. There's already Hantech Global here. Okay, we have Forex Time here. We have Hantech Global here. We have the regular Hantech Bullion, Hantech Markets, IC Markets. So basically, I did the same procedure for all of them. They were not all here. So if you want to add a new broker, you simply come to this last row here where it says add new broker, like broker name. Or so if you have the broker name or you have the broker server, you can simply double click in here and paste it there or type it in there. Okay, so we want to do, for example, let's say I don't think I have a JAFX here. Okay, there's no JAFX here, so let's get all the servers for JAFX. So double click here and then type JAFX and then click enter, and then it searches for the servers of that platform. Okay, and then as you can see here, then it scans, and you will look by the right side here, you see that if it's 0, it means it has not downloaded any information, but once you see it increasing more than 0, then it means it's uploading data from that server. Now, to log in to any of these platforms, take for example the JAFX reel, all you need to do is come here, click JAFX reel, and then click next, right? And then click on existing trade account, and you can see the server is already shown here fixed, and you type in your login details here, type in your password there, and click on finish, and it will log you in. Okay, but let me go use a Hantech Global where I have some login details and show you practically how it is done. Okay, so here's Hantech Global. I'll use the Hantech Global live server. You can see to the right side, you can see some pink there. There's some numbers there, so that means I can go ahead. So I click on next. Okay, so select existing trade account, If you want to open a new demo account, you just click on this and click on next, and then you fill in details. You open a new demo account with the broker of your choice. Okay, same thing with new account. I think that should direct you to the broker's website. Okay, oh, you could actually open a new account from here. Oh, interesting. So go back. I'll try that later. So existing account, I want to log into, you can see here the server Hantech Global Live. So I put in account number, what's that, and then put in my password, and then click on finish, and then it logs out of the coin broker, which is Forex Time, and the server, and logs you in to the Hantech server. As you can see, it's showing Hantech Global Live here, even though it is still showing the logo of the previous broker. That doesn't really matter. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can log into any broker account of your choice from one MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, if you've learned something new today, give us a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do click the subscribe button below this video, and also click the bell beside the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever we upload a new informative video. Okay, I also want to encourage you and let you know that we have a for-sure market mentoring platform where we teach new and experienced traders how to make money from the financial markets with the ease of two amazing indicators, the trend follower indicator and the future price prediction indicator. If you are not on the for-sure market mentoring program, I tell you, you are years behind in your trading, right? Without a mentoring platform, without a mentor, okay, you end up spending many years, wasted years, and thousands of dollars. And I tell you what, I've been there. You don't want to go through that route. Okay, so let us help you cut short your learning curve. And to come on board the mentoring program or get details of how it operates, what it involves for you to get on board, simply send me a WhatsApp message on +234 803 85 88291, and you get the full details. Okay, so I'll see you in the next educational video I upload. Have a wonderful trading day. Cheers.